My name is Philip von Hohenheim, and I created hydrogen by playing around with metals and acids. So now I made a gas that explodes. Hydrogen is made from two different ways, man. The first one is called steam reforming, man. It's currently the least expensive method and accounts for 95% of all the hydrogen that's produced in the United States, man, which is pretty cool. And it's used in industries to separate hydrogen atoms from carbon atoms and methane, aka CH4, because methane is a fossil fuel, and the process of steam forming results in greenhouse gases, man, which is that's what's linked to global warming, dude. And then the next one is electrolysis, where it's a process that splits hydrogen from water, man. Isn't that awesome? And it results in no emissions, but it is currently a very expensive process. And new technologies are still being developed about electrolysis, okay, man? So get your hopes up, dude. Electrolysis is the way of the future.
Alright, so basically, hydrogen is the simplest element known to man. And each atom of hydrogen has only one proton, and it's also the most plentiful gas in the universe. Stars are made from hydrogen, and the sun is basically a giant ball of hydrogen and helium gases. And in the sun's core, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium atoms. Okay, this process is called fusion. You need hydrogen to make fusion, and fusion gives off radiant energy. And this radiant energy sustains life on Earth. That's why hydrogen is such a big part of Earth. It's like cheese on a cheeseburger. Okay, you need that cheese on a cheeseburger. It's like a flat beer at a ball game. You need the flat beer at a ball game. And hydrogen gas is lighter than air. So it's just like a beer. You drink it, you'll get high. You go up, you won't get too high. Depending on how much you have. And as a result, it rises in the atmosphere. And this is why hydrogen, as a gas, H2, is not found by itself on Earth. And it is found only in compound forms with other elements. Hydrogen combined with oxygen, water, aka H2O. I'm sure the kids at school know what H2O is. If you don't, go back to kindergarten, play around with the jelly beans, learn about H2O. And hydrogen combined with carbon forms different compounds such as methane, CH4, and coal, petroleum. Hydrogen is also found in all growing things, biomass. It is also an abundant element on Earth's crust. Hydrogen has the highest energy content of any common fuel by weight. About 3 times more than gasoline, which is pretty damn good. But the lowest energy content by volume, about 4 times less than gasoline. It is the lightest element, and it has gas at normal temperatures and pressure. That's hydrogen. Okay? 2H.
What can I say? Hydrogen is my favorite thing in the world. I love it. I love it. It's so useful. People need hydrogen, okay? Yeah, people need hydrogen. I'm a fashion student, okay? And without hydrogen, I couldn't get my materials. I couldn't. Yeah. I went there. All the way. If I wanted a Twinkie or something, I couldn't get it without hydrogen, okay? That's what I think. We need hydrogen. I love it. I love it. Love hydrogen.
Hydrogen makes the pain go away. Hydrogen lets me get my groove on, man. Whoa! hydrogen allows me to stay in the dark.
My goat, he is hydrogen powered. It's a very nice help.